Hello, this is a video about digital twins and built environment. I want to start off by explaining what is a digital twin. A digital twin is a replica of a physical object. So if I can explain it with an example, let's take Rolls-Royce. That is, we all know that it is a very big car manufacturer. When Rolls-Royce is testing an engine, nowadays they don't build a physical engine. They model it and put it into the digital twin, where they feed the data into the digital twin, and then they can simulate the engine. So for example, they can replace the parts. They also can check which parts to replace so that it doesn't malfunction in the future, and how to make it more fuel efficient, more cost efficient, and all of that. So basically, it makes the job easier, it optimizes it, it makes it more efficient, it saves time, and it saves money. But as I said, data is a very important part when talking about and when creating a digital twin, because in a digital twin, you're giving the data and you're getting the information. We can get the data from sensors, we can get the data from IoT devices, but also we can get historical data, so data that was done in the that was created in the past. And for example, a company worked in the past with the same project that we are working, and they have already data, so we can use its data. Because getting data is not that easy, it's hard, and we need accurate data, so our the digital twin cannot be biased, for example. But at the end of the day, we have to know that digital twins have all their own advantages and disadvantages. So as I mentioned earlier, an advantage is that digital twin can be very efficient. But to be efficient, they need accurate data and a lot of data. So this is a very important part. Another example that really nowadays is being talked about is how NVIDIA is using digital twin to predict the weather. So they have created a digital, the same world in a digital twin, and they are feeding the data about the weather, and then they are simulating it to see if, for example, any disaster can happen in the future in any country, and then that country to be prepared for that disaster. For example, Japan is known for its tsunamis, so it's helping Japan to be prepared if there is like a earthquake or a tsunami coming. So this was my point of view on digital twins, and thank you very much.